22nd of July 2025. We have Lapinlahdenkatu, Latvia, Scotland 13 here in Helsingin ja en kamppi. Lappland has as far as Northern and Finland. And those languages of course here the instructions in English too. But this is still bad when they had to cover these. But upstairs maybe we can see
yeah.
Yeah. The best is for us to be. Sorry, let's go.
Yeah.
That's 5 dollars. Number is 394. Is this built 1925 or?
Yeah, probably we have to check it, but
Check the serial number.
yeah.
Oh, sorry. But this is the best AR.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this probably the machinery is original. Yeah. But
This one also we succeeded in the last minute.
yeah.
Nej, jag är Swedish, men ni kan öppna istället försiktigt så den inte smäller in i andra störet.
Yeah.
Swedish speaker fest the heat, no, Swedish heat. And yeah, only in Helsingfors.
Yeah. It doesn't say serial number. Only in ground floor for some reason.
Strange.
And yeah, press it now and so it just fortunately it doesn't have memory.
Yeah, then it's still a bit original.
Yeah, I think.
But that also changed in the 60s.
Yeah. But still, yeah, and the gate was changed, but otherwise, and the light fixture was changed, but mostly original, almost original.
Yeah. And still, if this is 1925, I wish I could the year, but
yeah,
maybe the oldest original in Helsingfors. So.
Yeah, but also, yeah.
The 1914 one.
Yeah, but
that also has.
but actually, Finalizing 7 is almost original from 1933 and 1923. Yeah.
It's your turn.
Yeah, it's the oldest, but yeah.
But we will compare this one, the serial number.
Yeah, it's built by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Backup Service Keskus.
So today definitely was not a horrible day, it was still amazing.
Yeah.
Because at the last meal we got the 3 best today.
Yeah.
I love the sounds as well here.
Same here.
It's so funny when this was fully unknown and we got it at the last minute.
Yeah.
I really love the vibrations.
Yeah, same. But so Boulevard 15. I was age 2, 4, 5 and Lapinlahdenkatu 12B from 1960. 1926. Yeah, and it was it's 501, so probably
1925.
Yeah.
Or
Yes. Yeah, of course.
sorry, it was the third, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is very likely to be 1925, but we'll still compare this year to others from 1924 to 26.
Yeah.
Swedish first edition. Sorry. Very, very loud.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.